All right, today we're going to learn about making a scatter plot. And a scatter plot is just a graph with points showing the relationship between two sets of data. So bivariate data, two variables. So for example, the price and the weight of an item, like if you're buying by weight, like snack items, the number of shots you make based on the number of times you shoot, right? So there should, some of these have relationships. And so when we make a scatter plot, we're going to look for an association. Our first set of data is going to be about possible relationship between hours spent studying and a test grade. So in part A, you make a prediction. On part B, we're going to make a scatter plot. So it says the hours spent studying is going to be the independent variable, and the test grades will be the dependent variable. So independent variables go on your x-axis, dependent variables go on the y-axis. So we're just going to take these points and we're going to put them on the graph. Hours spent studying is 0, test grade 75. Right? And we just want to kind of pay attention to the scale here. So hours spent studying is 0.5, so half, test grade 80. So there's not a 0.5, so we're going to find that halfway between 0 and 1. So you can write it on there if you want. And then the test grade was 80. Right? And when for 1 hour studying, the test grade is 80. So it's going to be in the same column there. So we're just going to keep adding data to the graph, looking at the data, plotting it here, and we're going to make a scatter plot. And when it's done, it's going to look like the dots are just kind of scattered, and we're going to look for a pattern. So we can see that this scatter plot, maybe it looks like a pattern that in general, not for everybody, but the more hours spent studying, the better the test grade.